This might be the very first time you witness the world's longest living creatures, beings that defy age, time, and even death itself. From tortoises that outlive generations, to sharks that have swum the oceans since before the birth of nations, to a jellyfish that can truly turn back the clock of life. Next, follow Top Bit, as we uncover the 7 immortals of our planet. Top 7. Galapagos tortoise. In the remote Galapagos Islands, under the blazing sun and among rocky volcanic landscapes, there lives one of the longest-lived creatures on land, the Galapagos tortoise. These giant reptiles, with their massive shells and slow movements, are the very symbol of patience and endurance. Most Galapagos tortoises live well over 100 years, and some individuals have been known to survive for more than 170 years. One famous tortoise, named Harriet, lived an astonishing 175 years, quietly witnessing nearly 2 centuries of human history. What gives them such remarkable longevity? Scientists believe the key lies in their slow metabolism and extremely low heart rate, which reduce physical stress and wear on their bodies. Their calm lifestyle, moving slowly and conserving energy, further extends their lifespan, making them true masters of survival. The Galapagos tortoise reminds us that longevity is not just about strength or speed, but about balance, conservation, and adapting to the rhythms of nature. With their incredible lifespan, these gentle giants embody the wisdom of time itself. Top 6. The red sea urchin. Beneath the cold waves of the Pacific Ocean lives a spiny creature that seems almost eternal, the red sea urchin. Unlike most living beings, which weaken and decline as the years pass, this remarkable animal shows almost no signs of aging. Some individuals are known to live for more than 200 years, yet they remain vigorous, continuing to move, feed, and even reproduce as if time itself has no power over them. What makes this possible? Scientists point to 2 key factors: an incredibly slow metabolism and an extraordinary ability to repair its own cells. Every day, the red sea urchin quietly resists the damage that would normally accumulate in other animals. Instead of wearing out, its body maintains itself with astonishing efficiency, allowing it to thrive across centuries. For this reason, the red sea urchin is often called one of the ocean's ageless survivors. It may not truly live forever, but in its refusal to grow old, it stands as one of nature's most extraordinary examples of longevity. Top 5. The bowhead whale. In the icy waters of the Arctic, one of the ocean's true giants quietly glides through the depths, the bowhead whale. This massive creature, weighing up to 100 tons, is not only remarkable for its size, but also for its astonishing longevity. On average, bowhead whales can live between 150 and 200 years, and some individuals have been confirmed to survive over 211 years, making them the longest-lived mammals on Earth. Unlike most whales, the bowhead has evolved in one of the harshest environments on the planet. To survive, it has developed powerful biological defenses, including genes that enhance DNA repair, protect against cancer, and strengthen cell resilience. These genetic adaptations allow its body to resist the damage of aging far better than most other animals. Evidence of its extraordinary lifespan comes from unexpected sources. In several bowhead whales, hunters discovered ancient harpoon tips still embedded in their flesh, weapons dating back more than a century, proving that these giants had outlived generations of humans. For scientists, the bowhead whale is more than a symbol of endurance. It is a living key to understanding how life might overcome the limits of aging, and perhaps one day, how humans might extend their own years as well. Top 4. The Greenland shark. Deep in the dark, icy waters of the North Atlantic lives a mysterious predator that moves at a pace as slow as time itself, the Greenland shark. This elusive giant, often reaching lengths of up to 5 meters, holds the record as the longest-lived vertebrate known to science. Research has revealed that Greenland sharks can live on average around 272 years, and some individuals are estimated to reach 400 to possibly 500 years of age. That means a shark born during the age of the Renaissance might still be swimming in the oceans today. The secret to its extraordinary longevity lies in its biology. The Greenland shark grows at an incredibly slow rate, sometimes less than 1 centimeter per year, and reaches sexual maturity only at around 150 years old. Its slow metabolism, combined with the frigid Arctic waters it inhabits, helps reduce cellular damage and extend its lifespan far beyond most other species. Although it is a predator, feeding on fish and sometimes scavenging, the Greenland shark is a creature of patience. Its long, slow life has made it a symbol of endurance, reminding us that in nature, sometimes survival is not about speed, but about stillness. Top 3. The ocean quahog clam. On the sandy seabeds of the North Atlantic lies an unassuming creature that quietly carries the weight of centuries, the ocean quahog clam. At first glance, it looks ordinary, but hidden within its shell is one of nature's most extraordinary records of longevity. These clams are capable of living for more than 400 years, and the oldest individual ever recorded, nicknamed Ming, reached an astonishing 507 years of age before scientists discovered it. That means it was alive during the Ming dynasty in China, giving the clam its famous name. The secret to its remarkable lifespan is its incredibly slow metabolism, made possible by the cold, stable waters it inhabits. Every year, it grows a thin layer on its shell, much like the rings of a tree, creating a natural record of both its age and the environment it has survived through. For centuries, the ocean quahog clam endures without fanfare, silently filtering water and drawing nutrients from the sea. It is a living time capsule, older than entire nations, a reminder of how small and fleeting human life can seem against the backdrop of nature's endurance. Top 2. Hydra. In the calm freshwater lakes and streams found across the world, there lives a tiny organism that seems to hold the secret to immortality, the hydra. Hydras are only a few millimeters long, but don't let their small size fool you. What makes them extraordinary is their ability to constantly regenerate. Their bodies are composed of stem cells that continuously divide and renew, meaning that old or damaged cells are replaced almost instantly. This unique ability allows hydras to avoid the typical aging process seen in most animals. In controlled laboratory conditions, researchers have observed hydras living indefinitely, with no signs of decline even after many years. Unlike humans, who gradually lose cellular repair efficiency, the hydra seems to be locked in a perpetual cycle of youth. Of course, hydras are not truly immortal. In the wild, they face predators, disease, and environmental changes. But biologically, under ideal conditions, they show no natural lifespan limit, making them a fascinating model for longevity studies. The hydra may be small and fragile, but in the quest to unlock the secrets of eternal youth, this simple creature might hold some of the biggest answers. Top 1. Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. At number 1, we arrive at perhaps the most astonishing survivor in all of nature, the immortal jellyfish, known scientifically as Turritopsis dohrnii. This unassuming creature drifts quietly through the warm waters of the Mediterranean and beyond, carrying within it one of life's greatest secrets, the ability to reverse its own aging process. When most animals grow old, injury or stress eventually leads them to decline and die. But not the immortal jellyfish. Instead, when threatened or weakened, it can perform a biological miracle, transforming its adult cells back into a juvenile state. In essence, it resets its life cycle, starting over again as if it were newly born. This unique power means that, in theory, Turritopsis dohrnii could live forever, endlessly cycling between maturity and youth. Of course, in the wild, it can still fall prey to predators or disease. So it is not truly invincible, but biologically, it is the closest example we know of to real immortality. The immortal jellyfish has become a symbol of hope and mystery in science. By studying it, researchers dream of unlocking new insights into aging, regeneration, and perhaps even extending human life. From the ancient Galapagos tortoise to the mysterious immortal jellyfish, these remarkable creatures remind us that life can take many forms, each with its own secrets of survival and longevity. Perhaps one day, by studying these animals, we may unlock new insights into health, aging, and the possibility of extending our own time on Earth. Until then, they stand as living wonders, testaments to the incredible diversity and resilience of life.